Let us see the solution of question number 19. The moment of the force is this. From this point to this point is given by, we need to find the moment of the force, right? So the answer would be the force is given as 4 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap, and we need to find the r vector, right? Because we know the moment of a force is r vector cross f vector, right? That is the moment of the force. So for the same, r vector is the corresponding coordinate, difference between the corresponding coordinates, that is 2 minus 2 I cap plus 0 minus minus 2 j cap plus minus 3 minus 2 k cap. Give the answer 2 j cap minus 1 k cap. Now we find the value of r vector cross f vector, cross product between the two, right? So using the matrix, answer is equal to 7 I cap minus 7 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 8 k cap. Choose the corresponding option from the given options. That's the correct answer. Minus 7 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 8 k cap.